In the previous videos, we learned about the basics of mobile technology and its evolution. Now, it's time to dive into the fifth generation, 5G. Let's understand the whys and hows of 5G. We've seen how mobile technology has evolved from previous generations. Let's view the needed improvements for 4G LTE networks and why we need 5G. As we know, consumers always want more. For instance, today's high-resolution 4K and 8K videos need great capacity. That is why today's consumers need enhanced mobile broadband. A large number of devices are being added into the system all the time, leading to the explosion of the Internet of Things. Stronger and faster cloud connections are also in demand. This is to support low-latency tasks such as multiplayer gaming activities and AI. These are just some of the reasons to go beyond 4G LTE. What's the answer to all these issues? To put it plainly, 5G. 5G is going to redefine mobile technology and positively impact virtually every industry. 5G is a unified wireless air interface that will vastly expand the capacity, efficiency, and utility of mobile networks and devices. Let's learn about the main enabling wireless technological inventions behind 5G. First is OFDM. This is a method of encoding digital data on multiple carrier frequencies. 4G LTE works on the same principle, but Qualcomm has made it more scalable so that it can support a carrier bandwidth of up to hundreds of megahertz as compared to the current capacity of 20 megahertz. This is a phenomenal improvement and is going to support more connections than ever before. Let's look at an example. Here's a farmer who could only produce corn with limited infrastructure. But as he adds more infrastructure to his farm, he's able to produce a variety of different crops. Taking it a step further, let's say the farmer adds small in-house units to his farm so that all farming-related tasks can be carried out at the same place. This makes him more independent and efficient. Similarly, with OFDM, Qualcomm has made the slot structure so flexible that multiple functions can run on it seamlessly. This will allow the operators to efficiently support more users on the same frequency and will also reduce the latency levels to a large extent, particularly helping the mission-oriented tasks like car navigation. Qualcomm's next 5G innovation is massive MIMO antenna technology, which uses more antennas intelligently to improve both network capacity and coverage. This is going to convert the scattered waves into strong, concentrated beams. This allows the signal to travel farther, effectively extending the reach of a base station. Massive MIMO technology can deliver more reliable and faster data rates throughout the 5G network, especially in densely populated areas. Getting back to our farmer, let's say instead of selling his produce in small local markets, now he decides to target only the major wholesale stores. This change in strategy not only helps him conserve his energy, but also brings in more money. To explain the final innovation, let's say our farmer decides to put an undeveloped piece of land to good use. He clears it out, makes provisions to rear some chickens and pigs, and starts a bakery, which uses the produce from his farms. This turns out to be an instant hit with the local community. Qualcomm has done something similar by finding a way to harness the mobile millimeter wave. Millimeter waves are very, very small, but they have a lot of energy and can carry a ton of data quickly. However, because they are so small, they can easily be deflected by physical barriers or even your own hand. This is why millimeter wave technology was considered extremely unsuitable for mobile communication. Until now. Qualcomm invented a way to make this formerly untamable millimeter wave work for mobile devices. This breakthrough innovation is going to increase the capacity of 5G mobile networks immensely, resulting in much faster speeds, less latency, and higher capacity. With the help of these innovations, Qualcomm has paved the way for the next generation of mobile technology, which will improve our lives in new and exciting ways. Here are some key takeaways of what we learned. We will explore some potential use cases your customers might experience in a 5G world in the next video.